I usually reach for this Luxie spray when my skin feels dry or when I just need a quick refresh between tasks, and the mist is fine enough that it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on my face. A couple of spritzes is enough to give my skin a bit of moisture and a light cooling sensation without interrupting how my makeup sits. This usually sits on my shelf at work, where I find a spritz can be ineffective as a cup of coffee or a quick nap to refresh me. Now, I've tried other face sprays with mixed results. They've either been too sticky feeling or what I feel are like overpriced waters. This one doesn't seem to feel like it just sits on top of my skin. I think the fine spray helps a lot in that. Of course, this is not a miracle worker for dry skin or anything. I don't use it as part of any beauty routine anymore, if I'm honest, at least not purely for skincare. I just love how a spritz in the office on my face can wake me up and refresh me a bit. For that alone, I recommend.